Let's take a look at this laundry language activity, which can support 1 to 2 year olds with their communication and language. I'm sure as a parent, your to-do list is probably never ending. Did you know that doing daily chores like laundry can actually be play for your child and can even encourage them to build their vocabulary, understanding and listening skills? Start by providing your child with a big basket of clean, dry clothes which are ready to be put away. Model sorting the clothes into piles for each member of the family. Make sure you say the name of the family member each time you move an item. Your child would probably have started grabbing things by now. Ask them, "What's that?" or "Who's that for?" This will encourage them to say the names of the people in the family, and you can help them to put the items in the right piles. When you have sorted all the clothes, ask your child to take the things into the right bedrooms. They love a little responsibility like carrying some clothes. Use simple instructions to support your toddler's listening and understanding. Put them on the bed. You can extend the activity by adding detail, such as talking about the colour, size or shape of the clothes. You could play games such as matching the different socks or playing peekaboo using the clothes. For more learning opportunities, check out our Twinkl Tots play-based course. Have lots of fun!